to 1811, reduce to 210, and to maintain 8,000.
Squad and take them and it's at the 8,000.
November 35 Charlie Victor, contact Nellis approach 135.1 today.
135.1, 5 Charlie Victor, thanks.
What's at 1624, intercept the localizer, contact approach 135.0.
Set localizer at 35.0 west at 16.
Southwest 2279, intercept the localizer, contact approach 135.
American 3040, maintain 17 knots or greater to relay.
170 or greater to reland American 3040.
Las Vegas approach, good afternoon, watch at 1624, descending via for 8000.
Watch at 1624 Las Vegas approach at Phoenix, cleared ILS to Zulu, runway 26 left approach.
Check at Phoenix, clear for the ILS Zulu, 26 left approach, watch at 1624.
November 5 Lima Sierra, G7 maintain 5,500.
7,000 or 5,500 by Liz here.
Approach Southwest 2279, 11,000 for 8,000, field and sight. Southwest 2279 Las Vegas approach at Prino, clear bridge portion runway 26 left.
At Prino, clear divisional 26 left, Southwest 2279.
Approach that Liz here, got the airport, please.
South Lima Sierra, clear bridge portion runway 19 right.
Clear visual 19 right, 5885 Liz here.
American 3040, contact tower 119.9.
99, 3040.
Localizer. Supply. Approach the car.
Number 5 Lima Sierra, contact tower 118.75.
1835 I was here.
Southwest 2279, maintain 210 knots to Larry.
10 to Larry, Southwest 2279.
West at 1624, maintain 17 knots or greater to reland.
170 greater to reland, watch at 1624.
170 greater read.
Approach 323 with Bravo, descending via Rounders 4.
Fairway 323, Las Vegas Blue Charter.
Approach JetBlue 1811, down the road direct to Prino and intercepting the localizer.
JetBlue 1811, Las Vegas Blue Charter, advise airplanes that's almost 3 long.
They have the field side, JetBlue 1811.
JetBlue 1811, clear bridge push runway 26 left.
Clear visual approach runway 26 left, JetBlue 1811.
Watch at 1624, contact tower 119.9.
19.9, watch at 16.6.
Shoot down.
Las Vegas Tower, good afternoon. Watch at 1624, ILS Zulu 26.
Okay, West 4105, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff. Runway 26 right, clear for takeoff, Skywest 4105. Just 1624 Las Vegas Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land, wind 19013.
Clear to land 26 left, watch at 16 plate.
United 2223 Las Vegas Tower, runway 26 right, line of weight.
26 right, line of weight, United 223.
Southwest 1294, hold short, runway 26 right. Hold short, 26 right, Southwest 1294.
Speed brake. Up, my gear. Down, holding.
Southwest 1294 at Alpha 6, cross runway 26 right, contact ground point 1, traffic on position. At Alpha 6, cross 26 right, we'll contact ground point 1 on the other side, so it's 1294. Skywest 4105, connect departure.
Departure, Skywest 4105.
There, Southwest 2279 is about 12 out for 26 left. Southwest 2279 Las Vegas Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land, wind 19014. 26 left, clear to land, Southwest 2279.
Talk. Like, shoots connected.
Yeah, 2223, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 right, dead 2223.
Delta 2360, Las Vegas Tower, runway 26 right, line up and wait. 26 right, line up and wait, Delta 2360.
One South Peaks. Check SMS from altitude.
American 3040, taxi Alpha 4, hold short, runway 26 right.
Alpha 4, hold short 26 right, American 3040.
Tower JetBlue 1811, visual runway 26 left. JetBlue 1811, Las Vegas Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land, wind 19012. Clear to land, runway 26 left, JetBlue 1811.
Yeah, Tower, after Alpha 4, what was our next instructions, American 3040?
American 3040, hold short, runway 26 right.
Okay, hold short, stay with you, 3040.
Delta 2360, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
26 right, clear for takeoff, Delta 2360.
Delta 591, Las Vegas Tower, runway 26 right, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 26 right, Delta 591.
100, 50, 30, 20, 10.
Yeah, 2223, contact departure.
Over departure for 2223.
Out of breeze.
6 knots.
WestJet 1624, hold short runway 26 right.
Hold short 26 right, WestJet 1624.
Okay, hold short. 6.
Delta 591, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff. Delta 591, 26 right.
Delta 1672, Las Vegas Tower, runway 26 right, line up and wait.
Line for wait, 26 right, Delta 1672.
Delta 2360, connect departure.
Departure, Delta 2360.